Hey guys, it's Jerome Jr. In this week's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Fluance Ai41 powered 5-inch bookshelf speaker. Like I do in all my videos, I'm going to first start out with the unboxing of it, which this is going to be definitely my first impressions. I have not yet opened this up, so you and me is going to experience it together. After I do this unboxing, I'm definitely going to go ahead and give you guys some of the specs of this bookshelf speakers, and then I'll go into and spend some time, probably a week, to myself, listen to it, let you guys hear them also, and give my final thoughts. So let's not waste any time. Let me go ahead and open this up here. So this color of this one is in Lucky Bamboo. So seen pictures of how it looks, and it looks so good. It comes in about 4 finishes. So let me go ahead and remove this at the top. Set this up to the side, and let me tilt this over for you guys can see how it looks on the top end inside the box. So it's nice. So right off, you're greeted with the quick start guide, and then a little pamphlet that gives you information on the company and all the other products that they offer. And yeah, so it's pretty nice. I'm set this off to the side, and let's see what's in here. Go ahead and pull this out. The accessories is in the middle. This is gonna be, of course, the batteries for the remote. It's gonna have the speaker wire, the remote itself, and then also it's gonna have the plug for you to go ahead and hook it up to the active speaker that they have here. Remember, this is power, it has a built-in amp. Let me go ahead and pull this out here. Let's see. Okay. First off, this is really nicely wrapped and packaged. Oh boy. Move this out of the way. Let's put it right here. You gotta have to see this. Man, talking about some good looking speakers. Something I haven't seen many companies do is this is actually sealed. It's wrapped and sealed on both the bottom and the top. It's not actually just taped closed. So yeah, really have to rip it open. Let's do that now. Alright guys, so let me go ahead and jump into the specs for you guys. Alright, so inputs. This has RCA, built-in Bluetooth, and it's Bluetooth 5.0, and it has an optical hookup. So you have the flexibility to connect it whatever way you please that fits you. Desktop, turntables, just to have casual listening. It's whatever you want to do. Now, let's get into the materials and the speakers itself. So, the tweeter is a 1-inch silk soft dome. I have the full name down below. Now, the woofer is 5-inch wood glass fiber composite. So, definitely the materials are really nice. Now, the amplifier that's built in, it is a Class D, and it is pushing 90 RMS. Together, each one is 45. Now, for those who's wondering, the frequency response. This thing can get down as low as 35 hertz and up to 20,000 hertz. There's no phono preamp on this. So if you do use it with the record player, you would definitely have to make sure you have the preamp built in on your record player. Now, dimensions. So this is 10.9 by 6.5 by 7.6 inches. So they're not the smallest things out there, but they're also not the biggest things out there. Alright guys, and here how the back side of the active one looks. This is the one that had the built-in amp. As you see, it's laid out pretty simple, easy. You have the optical input right here, your two RCAs, and then you have the dedicated subwoofer output, which is a great feature to have built in. And then right here on the far left is the reset button for Bluetooth. So definitely pairing and disconnecting will be a lot easier on this than a lot of other Bluetooth built-in bookshelf speakers I've used. I like that. Now looking right here, this is for obviously for you to hook up the power cable. Then you have the on and off switch here for power, and this is the speaker terminals for you to go ahead and connect the passive one. And one thing that I really love is the hardware. This is very nice. It's a screw type, so very secure. I really like how this is, and then it's cool because you can definitely use banana plugs connectors to it. So that's really nice. Now both speakers are ported. So yeah, this is definitely a really nice color combination. It looks good. So for you guys, the next thing you're gonna see is the demo. Alright guys, so you got to listen to how they sound. Drop your comment below what you think. Well, let me go ahead and get into my final thoughts of them. So definitely, I think they sound great. They're definitely a warm, full sounding speaker. It definitely doesn't sound flat anywhere within the music you will mostly encounter: jazz, pop, classical. I even listen to on hip hop, R&B. Just the high sounds crisp, the mids are there, and the lows for the size of the speakers are actually pretty good too. I went ahead and on the demo, if you notice, I played a hip hop track just to demonstrate just how much air these woofers are throwing, and they're moving. They're moving. So overall, love the finish. You can definitely hear the quality. For $249, I definitely think they're worth it. They get loud enough that you can use in a small to medium room. This room in per se that I'm in is definitely obviously too big for these. That's why I have bookshelf speakers. I'm not bookshelf speakers, I meant to say floor standing speakers. But yeah, definitely if you have a desktop setup and you was like getting into recording yourself singing, making beats, or you just wanted a great set of some computer speakers for your casual listening, these will more than do the job. And they look aesthetically nice. I definitely will recommend these. If you're in the market in this price range, you can't go wrong. These sound just as good as the R51Ms that are clips, but you know I'm a big clips fan. I love these. These things are awesome. So yeah, definitely that basically wraps it up, guys. I would recommend them. If you guys have any questions, drop a comment down below. I'm pretty good at getting at them. And if you did enjoy this video, share it, like, you know. All right, guys. Until the next one, Jerome Jr. out.